Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through White House and as you can see, the reconstruction process has started. White House is a very popular fishing village in Westmoreland and it was completely destroyed by Hurricane Melissa. But as you can see, they have started the reconstruction process, the rebuilding process. So today we're going to talk about the government's plan for reconstruction in Jamaica, the reconstruction strategy in Jamaica to lead to a new era of resilience, recovery, and growth. Now, Jamaica has gotten 6.7 billion US dollars in loans to rebuild Jamaica. The estimated total cost for the damage that the hurricane did in Jamaica was 8.8 billion US. So Jamaica is on its way to recovery. But it's going to take time and it's going to take a good strategy because it has to be coordinated and done properly. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on Jamaica's plan for reconstruction, or I should say the government's plan for reconstruction. Jamaica's reconstruction strategy being deployed across infrastructure, housing, digitization, logistics, and agriculture and energy will create thousands of jobs, improve national productivity, and protect fiscal sustainability. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness made a declaration in the House of Representatives where he provided details about the comprehensive financial package of up to US 6.7 billion over 3 years, which is designed to strengthen recovery and reconstruction efforts. For the first time in our history, our national development vision is backed by a robust, multi-year, multi-partner financing envelope. We now have a clear reconstruction strategy, an empowered institutional framework, unprecedented international support, and a united national will. This government will move forward with urgency, discipline, and transparency as we lead Jamaica into a new era of resilience, recovery, and growth, he stated. The Prime Minister stated that the resources being mobilized in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa are aligned with a clear, disciplined, multi-phase national reconstruction strategy. Phase 1 is a stabilization and the provision of essential services, including the restoration of electricity, water, connectivity, food, shelter, and infrastructure, and key transportation links as these stabilize relief. Phase 2 focused on economic and social recovery, entails the reopening of schools, restoration of health facilities, support for farmers, small businesses, tourism operations, and the reactivation of the local economy. So under phase 1, Dr. Holness noted that the provision of the food, water, and other such items will transition in December or early January from physical distribution to targeted financial support through a voucher system. Phase 2. Under this phase, direct support is being provided for micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises. Dr. Holness said that MSMEs are a central pillar of the government's national recovery strategy and are essential to employment, rural livelihoods, supply chain recovery, and the restoration of commercial activity across the island. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.